uThembi Nkomo uneminyaka ema-25 aphila neHIV. Njengoba namasotsha womzimba wakhe bekabogaboga wabe wabanjwa iTB kanengana, kodwa ummalo ujamile phezu kwamagama ukuthi imitjhoga imsizile.
TB and HIV are married, both they work together. If you taking if they say we are HIV positive and after that they say you got TB, you must drink those tablets both. If no matter what happened in your body, don't leave the treatment.
Badlula ku 700,000 abantu abaphila neHIV esifundeni seMpumalanga kanti isifundesi sihleze ebujameni besine emfundeni ezilithoba zenarha le ngokuba nabantu abanengi abaphila nengogwana le. Ukuzihlolisa kunye nokuthatha imitjhoga kusise sitshijilwe esifundeni lesi begodu nengogwana ye-COVID-19 iraranisa izinto ukuya phambili.
Challenges that we have is that people are not taking their medication after they have tested positive to the virus, and also whenever there is a lockdown, it's an issue of them going to take the medication on time and they end up defaulting.
Urhulumende wesifundesi usejimeni lokulinga ukuthi amaphesenti ama-90 wabantu abaphila neHIV bathathe imitjhoga.
We are doing relatively well in terms of the testing. However, the initiation of the antiviral, we are not doing very well because our target is 90%. As things stands, we are standing at about 87% in terms of initiating the treatment to the HIV positive patients.
Abandazinyana basakhulako kunye naboma ngiba bathelele kakhulu ngengogwana le.